Hi, this is How To's. In this video we are going to see how you can take a screenshot in your Windows laptop. A screenshot, sometimes referred to as a screen cap or screen grab, is an image that shows the contents of a device display. Screenshots let you capture exactly what you're seeing on your screen to share with others or reference later. Let's see how you can take a screenshot. Easiest way to take screenshot is to simply press print screen from your keyboard and then open MS Word and press Ctrl V, or in other words, just paste it here. Now simply right-click on the image and click Save as Picture, and just by that, you have taken the screenshot of your screen. As is apparent, using print screen, you cannot take the screenshot of particular part of your screen. Using this, you can only take screenshot of the entire screen. Let's look at another way to take the screenshot. There is a default tool in Windows which allows you to take a screenshot. Go to Start menu and search Snipping Tool, and then click on New and select the areas whose screenshot you want. Now just simply save this image. So, this is how you can take a screenshot. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.